How do I engage my core muscles? That's a question I recently got from a lady who has prolapse and an umbilical hernia. So if you're a new mama, meaning you've recently been pregnant, or you have abdominal weakness, maybe a diastasis, which is a separation of your abdomen, or an hernia, an umbilical hernia, an abdominal hernia, then it's really important that you learn how to properly engage your core. And I'm going to show you how to do that today.
This is a common mistake I see when people engage their cores. That is not how we want to engage our core. What you want to do is start by inhaling, and when you exhale, draw in your core. I'll do that again.
Try to pull your abdominals in and together. Here's another angle. You can also try this in sitting. Try this at home and let me know what questions you have. Thanks so much for watching.